everyone. This is Rachel here with the team at Clarity Co, bringing you some tech clarity. We're going to talk through basic navigation of Monday.com, specifically that left-hand menu on the left side, and we're excited to share with you, so let's go ahead and dive in. Starting on that left-hand side of your menu, you have the home button here. This functions similarly to a homepage on a website. You can have references to quick links, tools, tips and tricks, announcements, anything that you want here for your teams to have quick and easy access to. Underneath that, we have the My Work section. This is where all tasks that are assigned to you as a user are pulled in across all boards into one space so you can quickly and easily see what has been assigned to you for this week, today, things that are past due, etc. As long as you are assigned within that people column, Monday.com will pull these items into this My Work section and also show you the due date. If a due date is missing, you can add that here and ask for your team to bring some clarity. Just know that we will show you how to optimize this in a future training, but for now, it is here for you to use quickly and easily. Underneath the My Work section, we have the More button. This has two options underneath it. You have that quick search feature as well as the template center. Starting with the quick search feature, if you are a fan of quick keys on your keyboard, go ahead and hit that Ctrl B button and that will pull up the quick search bar. The quick search bar functions similarly to Google in the sense that it searches across all of Monday.com in your workspace, in your dashboards, boards, documents, etc., and pulls in anything with that keyword that you're searching for. Let's say, for example, I remember a document that I'm looking for has the word training in it. It has to do with training, but I don't remember exactly what it's titled. I can type in the word training and I can see, oh, here's the board that I'm looking for. It's the training board. I can then click on that and Monday.com takes me directly to that board that I'm looking for. If you're a fan of quick keys again and you want to quickly exit this quick search section, you can hit the escape key, causing that to disappear, or you can click on the gray section and that will cause that search bar to disappear as well. Underneath that More section, we have the Template Center. These are pre-built templates that Monday.com has built for a variety of users based on their industry or based on their need. You can go ahead and search through these and find something that is a baseline infrastructure that you can build up from there depending on your team's needs. Underneath that More button, we have the Favorite section. We will show you how to favorite a board in a future training, but just know when you favorite a board, document, dashboard, this is where those quick links will be pulled into. After favorites, we have Workspaces. This is a drop-down feature in Monday.com, and you can click on your different workspaces that you can need access to. Again, we do talk about what a workspace is all the way down to a sub-item in a future training for definition and just to talk about basic organization. But just know that this is where your workspaces will be referenced as far as this drop-down feature. The final section we want to talk through is this caret key up here at the top. This will open and close your navigation, giving you more visual real estate for your Monday.com boards. You can open that through clicking that with your cursor, or you can hit Ctrl # on your keyboard, opening and closing that left-hand navigation, and also reducing some distraction, which we all know we get a little distracted at times by things over on the left-hand side. That's all that we have from the team here at Clarity Co, bringing you some tech clarity. If you need additional tips, tricks, supports, or help with some of your builds, be sure to reach out to our team at Clarity Co and we'll be happy to help. Until next time.